Question number 31. It is from magnetism. Two wire which are carrying the current I1 and I2 along x-axis and y-axis respectively. These two wires are carrying the current along the x-axis and y-axis respectively, and these are intersect at origin O, and we have to determine the value of the magnetic field at a point which is d distance away and perpendicular to the plane of wire. So that distance is, it is the P point and its coordinate are 0, 0, D. So value of the magnetic field due to the wire 1 is B1 and its magnitude is mu naught I 1 upon 2 pi D. Now we have to determine the direction of the magnetic field due to the current I1. Here current is in x direction, so it is I cap, and point is in z direction, so direction of the magnetic field del B cap is I del L cap cross R cap, and I del L for B1 is in I direction and it is in K direction, and I cross K is the minus J direction. So magnetic field 1 is obtained along the direction of minus J, and due to the wire I2, value of the magnetic field magnitude is mu naught I2 upon 2 pi D, and current direction is J cross K. So for it, the value of the current element, the direction of the current element along the J, and value direction of the R vector is K. So J cross K, it is the I, so plus I. So B1 and B2 vector are mutually perpendicular to each other. So value of the resultant magnetic field B net is the B1 square plus B2 square, and mu naught upon 2 pi D is common. Mu naught upon 2 pi D is common, and it is the I1 square plus I2 square, and for it option is fourth. So answer is 4 for code P.